So we're getting ready to make homemade laundry soap, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna grate up a bar of Zote. And when it's fresh, it's like a softer soap, but if you've had it for a while and it's dried out, it's really hard and it takes a long time to make flakes. So just give yourself probably about 5 to 10 minutes to grate this thing up if you've had it for a while and it's hard.
So this is a little baggie of the little nibs of soap that are at the ends when you're almost done with the bar of soap that we keep back. And they're not really usable, you know, for the bath, but you can keep back the little pieces and save them, dry them out and save them and put them in a bag. And we'll grate some of those up for the laundry soap as well. So it's like the ultimate recycling.
This is 2 quarts of warm water. This is a bar of Zote and probably a half a cup to 3/4 cup of nibs of soap. And now we'll just melt this. And go slow, get it all melted. Don't do it fast or your soap will curdle.
Great, okay.
Quart of water with a 1/4 cup of shout.
So any kind of stain remover is
Any
probably
kind of stain remover.
Good.
Just got on sale. This is our soap mixture that we've melted with 2 quarts of water.
Into the bucket, 3-gallon bucket.
This is 2 cups of baking soda, 1 cup of washing soda, and 1 cup of borax.
On top of the soap.
On top of the soap, 1 quart of warm water and 1/4 cup of stain remover. Okay, this is a half-ounce bottle of Welby lavender essential oil from Aldi. $5 that we're dumping in the whole thing to our mixture.
So stir it all up. Till it's well mixed.
We're dumping in our 3 gallons of water.
Hot water.
Very hot water, as hot as you can get it.
This is about the consistency you're looking for. It's like a thick gel when the soap is cooled and set. Something like this. That's what it should look like. Sometimes it's chunkier, but this is about right. Use about 1/4 cup of detergent per wash. That's what this is. And if you have a high efficiency washer, just put the soap in with the clothing right in the washer. Do not use the tray.